Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Morning,
everyone.
sir.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Sir,
morning.
to check answers of questions which you have given yesterday. The period was ended and you can't tell us answers.
Okay, what were the questions?
Sir, first question was 25 and 30. Second was 42 and 36. And last one was 40 and 50. 42 and 36, 40 and 50.
Sir, the
These,
first question was the 25 and 30. So the second 42 and 36, and the third is 40 and 50.
okay, so these were the questions that I
Yes,
gave
sir.
you yesterday before the class
Yes.
was ended.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will explain. I will give you the answers of these questions. You all will take your answers. Okay. This is LCM using prime factorization. Okay. This is the topic.
50% हो गया.
Okay, LCM using prime factorization. This is the topic going on. So be ready, all of you. The first one,
Okay, sir.
answers. First one. The first one is 25 and 30. 25, the factors of 25. 5, 5, 1. Okay. And 30. 2, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. These are the factors. 25 equals to 5 into 5. 30 equals to 2 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, now the LCM. So when we write the LCM, we count the maximum number of factors in one number. So 25 में 5 is coming 2 times. So we will write 5 2 times. 30 में एक ही बार है. So we will write 2 times only. Now 2 is coming one time in the factors of 30. It is not there in the factors of 25. So you will write 2 only one time. 3 also, same case. It is there in the factors of 30. So 3 one time. Okay. Now what is the product? The product is 150. If you multiply 5 into 5 into 2 into 3, the answer is 150. Any doubt? Any doubt in this?
I have a doubt.
Yes, beta, Iram.
The answer is coming 60.
Sir, please wait a minute.
And my answer is coming 60. So
And mine
when we
150.
multiply 5 by 5, it is 25. 25 multiplied by 16.
And my answer is coming 150.
Okay, all
Sir,
of you.
because
Hanji,
my answer
because
is also 150. Sir, 5 5s are 25. Sir, 25 2s are 50. Sir, 53 is 150.
very good, correct.
Sir, I have checked my first answer. Answer it is correct.
Okay, all of you, please
मेरा box देना.
let Iram speak. Iram, yes, what is your doubt?
Sir, my doubt is that my answer is coming 750 because sir, I have written 5. Sir, 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Sir, you have not written.
Beta, you have written 5 3 times, but 5 will come only 2 times. Iram, 5 will come 2 times, not 3 times. You have written 5 3 times. Why will it come 2 times? Because in the factors of 25, 5 is there 2 times. And in the factors of 30, 5 is there only one time. तो ज्यादा टाइम्स किस में आ रहा है? 25 में ज्यादा बार आ रहा है 5, तो यू विल राइट ओनली 2 टाइम्स, नॉट 3 टाइम्स.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, when you multiply 5 into 5, this is 25. 25 into 2 is equal to 50. 50 into 3 is equal to 150. Varun, your doubt is clear or not?
Sir, my doubt is clear.
Varun? Varun Goel,
Sir, clear.
clear.
Sir, it is clear.
Okay. Any other student? Doubt is clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Very good. And please keep your videos on, all of you. Everyone, videos अपने ऑन रखिए. जिनका वीडियो ऑफ वो आज एब्सेंट. जिनका आज वीडियो ऑफ वो आज एब्सेंट. जिनका ऑन वो
My
प्रेजेंट.
video is pausing every time.
Okay, Iram, you can stop your video. You can keep your video off. Okay. Okay, second part. I'm doing the second part now. Second part is 42 and 36. I'm doing it. 36 है ना? Yes. So 42. 2, 21, 3, 7, 7, 1. Factors of 42. Factors of 36. 2, 2, 3.
Sir, my is correct.
42
Now,
is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So these are the factors. Now the LCM. LCM देखिए, सारे बच्चे बहुत ध्यान से देखिए. LCM. Okay. So 2. How many times 2? कितनी बार लिखना है? Tell me. How many times I should write?
Sir, 2 times.
We should write 2 times, not 3 times. 2 times only. Because
And sir, 3 also
42
2
में
times.
42 में 2 is coming 1 time. 36 में 2 is coming 3 times. Sorry, 2 times. So 2 को most number of times कितनी बार है? 2 times है. 2. 2 is coming 2 times. So in the LCM also you will write 2. 3 again 42 में एक बार, 36 में 2 times. So again you will write 3 also 2 times. 3 into 3. अब 7 पे आ जाओ. 7 is there in 42 but it is not there in 36. So 7 is coming only 1 time in 42. Therefore only 1 time here in the LCM. Okay.
Sir, now my is correct.
So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. The product is equal to 7 into 6. 42. 4. 3 is 250. 250. मल्टीप्लाई करना आता है सबको? ये कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? डू यू हैव अ डाउट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Multiplication.
No, sir, I don't have any doubt.
Good. So those students who have got this answer correctly, they can give a thumbs up. Thumbs up दे दीजिए. Give a thumbs up if your answer is correct. Jashan Singh, answer is not correct. Jashan Singh. Jashan.
Yes, sir.
Answer is correct or not? No, not correct. क्या हो गया था? What was the mistake? Have you caught your mistake, Jashan? आपको समझ में आ गया जशन? चलिए, वेरी गुड. ओके, third part of the question, the last part. Let me use a different color for it, for the third part. Different part, different color. What were the numbers? This color is visible or not? Is it visible?
Sir, 40 and 50.
Sir, it is visible.
Sir, it is visible.
Wait, with
It is visible.
Which color is it?
Saffron.
Sir,
orange.
saffron.
Very good.
Sir, saffron.
Yes. So the numbers are 40 and
Sir,
50.
40 and 50.
ठीक है. 40 and 50. 40, 20, 10, 5, 1. कितनी जल्दी कर लेता हूँ मैं फैक्टर्स. 2, 2, 2, 5. 50, 25, 5, 1. 2, 5, 5. So 40 factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. बिना फैक्टर्स करे भी मैं आंसर बता सकता हूँ. LCM 50. Answer is 200.
Yes, sir.
300.
200 बेटा.
Yes, sir, it is 200 only.
answer is 200.
My answer is
Sir,
correct.
my answer is 200.
My answer is correct.
I can
Sir, my answer is correct.
I can give you the answer as soon as I give you the question without even thinking. 2 is coming 3 times in the factors of 40. 3 times, है ना? And in the factors
Yes, sir.
of 50 only 1 time. So
Yes,
3
sir.
times लिखेंगे. ज़्यादा बार कितनी बार है? 3 बार. 3 times. So 3 2s and 5 is coming 1 time in 40 and 2 times in 50. So 5 को 2 times लिखेंगे. Very good. When you multiply this, you get 200. Do you want to want to know a shortcut method of multiplication? एक शॉर्टकट मेथड
Yes,
बताओ
sir.
मल्टीप्लिकेशन का.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
देखिए, अगर इंटरेस्टेड हो, ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको सीखना ही है ये. अगर आपको फिर भी ऐसी मजा आ रहा हो सीखने में, देन ओनली यू कैन लर्न. अदरवाइज यू कैन सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई वर्ड्स.
Interested.
ठीक है.
Sir, we are interested.
देखो,
we have to learn.
if you multiply
We have
this
to learn.
2, if you multiply this 2 and 5, it becomes 10. 2 into 5 is 10, है ना? And
Yes, sir.
you multiply this 2 and this 5, another 10. 10 और 10 कितने होगा? 10 into 10 is 100. 100 बन गया.
Sir.
ये 2 and 5 10. This 2 into 5 is 100. मतलब एक और 10 आ गया, तो 10 into 10 हो गए 100. और एक 2 बचा है. अब 100 into 2 कितने हो गए? 200 हो गए. आंसर आ गया.
Sir, I do like this only.
अरे वाह, वेरी गुड. चलो मैं एक मल्टीप्लिकेशन पूछता हूँ आपसे, जल्दी से बताना, ठीक है? देखने में थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है बट इट इज वेरी इजी. 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. जल्दी से मल्टीप्लाई करके बताओ. मैंने कर लिया. 210.
Only 12.
Sir, you are super fast.
यस.
Yes,
देखो, मैंने क्या करा? 2 into 5
Yes,
10.
sir, sir. 105 into 2 is 210.
नहीं, ये ऐसे नहीं करना है, ऐसे नहीं करना है. देखो मैं बता रहा हूँ कैसे करना है. 2 into 5 10 हो गया, ये आ गया 10. ठीक है. 3 into 7 हो गया 21, ये आ गया 21. अब 10 into 21 कितना होगा? 210 होगा, नहीं होगा? कितना इजी है. तो जब भी 2 और 5 दिखेगा आपको, तो 2 और 5 को पहले मल्टीप्लाई करना. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन विल बिकम वेरी इजी. ये मैंने ट्रिक बताई है आपको, सबको मत बताना. ठीक है. सबको बताओगे तो फिर सबको पता चल जाएगी, सब ऐसे ही कर लेंगे.
सबको पता
अपने
चल गया.
आपस की बात है ये. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
अपने बीच
Yes,
की
sir.
बात
ये सर अपनी और हमारी सारी क्लासमेट्स की
है.
बातें
हाँ,
हैं.
यस, वेरी गुड. चलिए, कि मैंने एक सीक्रेट बताया है अपना मल्टीप्लिकेशन का. एक मेरे पास एलसीएम का भी सीक्रेट है. ऐसी क्वेश्चन लिखते ही आंसर, वो भी बता दूं?
वो भी आप
बता
प्लीज
दीजिए,
बताओ.
बता
बता
दीजिए
दो।
सर। ठीक है सर।
Okay. Do you want to
हम
know?
आपके स्टूडेंट्स
अरे हम आपके स्टूडेंट्स हैं, कितने प्यारे बच्चे हैं। देखो, see, suppose this is a trick, okay? It should remain between me and you. You will not tell anyone else. ठीक है?
Yes, sir. I will
It is
not
a
tell.
secret. It is a secret, okay? So suppose the numbers are 12 and 16. ठीक है? 12 and 16. Suppose these are the numbers. Now you see the larger number between the two. Which number is larger?
16.
Sir, 16.
16।
तो 16 क्या 16 आपको चेक करना है। 16 इज डिविजिबल बाय 12। 12 से डिवाइड होता है? नहीं होता।
नो सर।
नहीं होता है, तो 16 इज
No,
नॉट द
sir.
आंसर। 16 का नेक्स्ट मल्टीपल क्या आता है? 32। 32 आता है।
यस
12
सर।
से 12 से डिवाइड होगा 16। तो 32 12 से डिवाइड होता है? नहीं होता है। नो,
Yes.
दिस इज आल्सो नॉट द आंसर। 16 का नेक्स्ट मल्टीपल क्या होता है? 48। 16 3s are 48 होता है। 48 12 के टेबल में आता है। 48 आता है। 48
Yes, sir.
आंसर है। 48 is the LCM. 48 is the LCM. Oh, very clever. 48 is the LCM. आ गया आंसर।
Yes, sir.
है सीक्रेट?
Sir, can we use these tricks in exam or not?
No, you cannot use this in exam. You can use this to check your answer. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
If suppose you require it, suppose जब आप when you will get in your higher classes, जब आप बड़े हो जाओगे थोड़े से higher classes में आओगे, so LCM will be considered as a very very small thing. LCM तो एक बहुत छोटी सी चीज होगी। So वहाँ पर आप जब when you go in your higher classes, you don't need to show the whole process of LCM. पूरा process नहीं दिखाना होता है LCM का, कि मैंने प्राइम फैक्टर्स किए, फिर ऐसे किया, फिर वैसे किया, फिर ये आया LCM मल्टीप्लाई करके ये आ गया। ऐसे सब नहीं करना होता है। वहाँ पर LCM is a very very small thing. So there you can save your time by finding the LCM with this method. तब आप कर सकते हैं, not now. अभी तो आप थोड़ा छोटे हो, इसलिए you have to show the whole process of LCM because you should know the basics. ट्रिक्स बाद में आती हैं, पहले बेसिक्स आते हैं। समझ में आया? याद रखना, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So I'm telling you again, I'm giving you another example, okay? Hiram, you will understand with another example.
Okay, sir.
देखो, suppose the numbers are 8 and 10.
That's 70.
Suppose 10 ले लेते हैं। 8 and 10. अभी बड़ा नंबर देखो कौन सा है? 10 है। 10
LCM is 40।
10 है। So 10
10.
के 10 is divisible by 8.
LCM is 40।
देखो बच्चों ने निकालना भी शुरू कर दिया।
LCM is 40.
अरे वाह।
40 and 10 for the 40।
10 is not a multiple of 8 नहीं है, तो 10 is not the answer. 10 का next multiple होता है 20। 8 से डिवाइड होता है 20? नहीं होता।
No, sir.
मल्टीपल आता है 30। 8 से
30,
डिवाइड होता है
no.
30? नहीं होता।
Sir,
नेक्स्ट मल्टीपल आता है 40।
Yes.
8 से
Yes,
डिवाइड
sir.
होता है 40। यस, तो आंसर
Yes,
क्या हो
sir.
गया? 40 is the answer. 40 is the LCM. याद रहेगी
Sir,
ट्रिक।
now higher digits.
नाउ हायर डिजिट्स।
Yes.
Sir, 100 like this.
अरे नहीं, इतना नहीं। For that you
Sir,
will use that method
Sir,
only.
one like
It is this method. This method is for medium level of numbers, not very high.
Question? We can write them in the chat box.
Chalo, you will give the answer. I am asking you a question. You will tell me the LCM in the chat box. Let's see who will give the answer first. Okay. Ready?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Don't do any kind of cheating. Find it orally. This is just for this is
copy.
नहीं कॉपी में नहीं करना है। This is just for जो मैंने ट्रिक बताई है उसके लिए है बस। Orally करना है। This is not to be done in your copy. Okay. Ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
चलिए।
Yes, sir.
Let me think of the numbers. चलो ठीक है। 40 and 60 बहुत easy है। Give the answer in the chat box, not like this. Mic's off.
Sir, what?
Mic's off. Give the answer in the chat box. Yes, time up. I think most of you have given the answer. Yes, almost. मतलब maximum number of students have given the answers correctly. So let me tell you.
So this is
चलो
40.
48
Sir, who is the first? Sir, who is the first?
अभी अभी बताते हैं
Sir, who is
who
the
is the
first one
first.
to give
अभी
the
अभी
answer?
बताते हैं who is the first one. I just first let me tell the answer and then I will tell you who is the first. So 60 is the greater number. 60 is the greater number.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
60 is 60 divisible by 40? No.
Yes,
No.
sir.
No, sir.
This is not the answer. 60 का next multiple 120.
Yes, sir.
120 is divisible by 40? Yes. So
Yes,
LCM equal
Yes.
to
Yes, sir.
120. Okay.
Sir, who the
Yes.
first one to give
But
the
who is
answer?
the first one to
Who
answer?
is the first? First is Anshuman Gangwar. Anshuman Gangwar will get a prize. Anshuman
Sir,
Gangwar
second
will
one?
Anshuman Gangwar will get a prize. He will get an iPhone box from me. Not iPhone box.
Sir, box very.
Only
Box में
box.
क्या करेगा?
Because
Sir,
iPhone is
please
very
give one
expensive.
more question.
नहीं बेटा, not.
Who is second one?
Who is the second answer? Correct answer is Abhimanyu. Third is Varin. Fourth is Utsav. Correct answer Utsav. Then Ashvik. Then Shaurya and Apurva. Then Noel Sahai. Then बस बाकी कुछ दो तीन बच्चों के गलत भी हो गए. आई होप दे विल करेक्ट देयर मिस्टेक. ओके,
Sir, please give us one more.
वन मोर. चलो
Yes,
लास्ट इतना रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं बच्चे. So one more. Don't give your answer like this on the mic. Give it in the chat box.
सर आप सबको म्यूट कर दीजिए.
Yes. Let me mute everyone. चलो बेटा, the numbers are 15 and 25. Numbers are 15 and 25. Okay, I am telling you the answer now. Okay, all of you ready? पहले मैं आंसर
Yes,
बता
sir.
दूं and then I will tell you कौन first कौन second.
Okay, sir.
So the greater number is 25. 25. First multiple of 25 is 25 itself. Is it divisible by 15? No. Next multiple
sir.
50. Divisible by 15? No.
sir.
Next multiple 75. Divisible by 50?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
LCM equal to 25. It takes me 0 seconds to find the answer. When I explain you, it takes 5 seconds, but when I am doing it in my mind, I take 0 seconds. Just a minute.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So yes, I am telling you the first one. The first one to answer is correct answer बता रहा हूँ जिनका correct है अभिमन्यु श्रीवास्तव first,
Sir, wait second.
then Aditya Kumar, very good, then Ashvik, then Jayesh, उसके बाद वरिन गोयल, उसके बाद नोएल सहाय, then Shaurya and Apurva, then Utsav Gangwar, then Anshuman. Okay, so it is not that important to give the answer quickly. इतना मतलब important नहीं है कि आप answer जल्दी दे रहे हैं, but more important thing is that you should find the LCM correctly. So this method you should apply only when you have understood the method properly. And the best thing is that you use the basic method first. उसको बहुत अच्छे से perfect कर लो basic method को. And after that all these tricks, ये जो shortcuts हैं, these will start coming in your mind automatically. इसमें किसी teacher को भी बताने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. When you will become good in all these things, these tricks and methods, these shortcuts, they start coming in the mind automatically. ठीक है? चलो, let's. Yes.
Sir, I have a trick to find multiples of any number.
You have a trick to find multiples of any number. Yes, tell.
Sir, I have also a
Sir, we have
trick.
to plus. Sir, we have to like 25 is the number, so we have to plus 25 in it, so it is 50, and then plus 25 it is 75.
Very good. This is also a trick to find the multiples. Keep on adding the number in itself.
Sir, but
Okay,
this
let's-
sir, now can I tell my trick?
Beta, I will listen to all your tricks after some time. First, let me give you a question. This question is to be done in the copies with proper method. Shortcut से नहीं करना है. Okay, proper method से करना है. Find the LCM of. Find the LCM of
Factorization or normal method?
by prime factorization method. Find the LCM
Okay, sir.
of 25 and 14 by prime factorization method. Start doing this. Prime factorization.